How do Python child classes work with inheritance? Imagine building a set of tools where some tools automatically get features from others. In Python, this idea is called inheritance, and it helps organize your code. When you create a child class, it gets all the properties and functions from its parent class. This means you don't have to write the same code twice. You can also add new features or change existing ones in the child class. To make a child class, you write the class name and put the parent class name in parentheses. For example, if you have a class called parent, you can make a child class called child by writing class child, parent. When you create an object of the child class, it can use all the methods and attributes from the parent class. So, if the parent class has a method called greet, the child class can use it without any extra work. Sometimes, you want the child class to do things differently. You can override methods from the parent class by writing a new version in the child class. For example, if the parent class has a greet method that says hello, the child class can change it to say hi or add more information. To do this, you just write a method with the same name in the child class. You can also use a special function called super inside the child class. This helps call the parent class's constructor or methods. For example, if the parent class has a constructor that sets a name, the child class can call super init name to make sure the name gets set correctly. This keeps things simple and avoids repeating code. Inheritance in Python can happen in different ways. Single inheritance means one child class inherits from one parent. Multiple inheritance means a child inherits from more than one parent. Multilevel inheritance is when a child inherits from a parent, and that parent inherits from another class. Hierarchical inheritance is when many children inherit from one parent. Hybrid inheritance combines these types. Using inheritance makes your code cleaner and easier to manage. Instead of copying the same code everywhere, you put common parts in the parent class. Then, the child classes can add or change features as needed. This way, your code stays organized, and you can build complex programs more easily. In Python, child classes work by inheriting all the attributes and methods from their parent classes. They can also extend or modify those features. This makes your code more flexible and helps you create clear relationships between different parts of your program.